Hi, want to know how to manage display settings on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as a first step, open settings on your phone and then find this tab named display, and this is the place where our journey is starting. First thing that we got here is choosing between light and dark theme. This is how the light theme looks, this is how the dark theme looks. And we here also got a setting which is named dark mode setting, and to be more exact, you can set a schedule for the dark mode to enable, for example, every afternoon and night, so your eyes won't hurt from the amount of white and bright colors on the screen. Next thing that we can see here is brightness, which we can adjust manually with the help of our finger, and also this feature named adaptive brightness, which will automatically change the brightness based on your environment. Next thing that we got here is eye comfort shield, which is reducing the amount of blue and light colors and using more warmer ones so your eyes can feel more comfortable and it will be easier to fall asleep after. We can enable it or disable it like this. Next thing that we can see here is font size and style. Here we got options to change the font style, bold font, and also change the font size with the help of our finger. Here you can also see a demonstration which is showing what is the difference. So now let's move on. Next thing that we got here is a screen zoom, and this feature is making everything that you can see on the screen bigger or smaller based on how you change it. As you can see, I have moved this dot to the right and everything already has become bigger, and you can make it even bigger like this or otherwise make it smaller like it was before. So now let's move on. Next thing that we got here is full screen apps. Currently we have no apps to control, but if you got a problem that you have downloaded application and it is having some black borders, here you'll be able to fix this problem. Next thing that we can see here is camera cutout, and as you can see here we got demonstration of the difference between show camera cutout and hide camera cutout. All of the applications are on the auto one, but if you would like to show or hide the camera cutout on one exact app, here you can click on it and choose here what you would like to. So let's move on to the next setting, which is screen timeout. This is the time after what your screen will automatically turn off if nothing is happening. So we got the options from 15 seconds after 30 minutes, but always remember that bigger the screen timeout is, then more it drains the battery. Next thing that we got here is navigation bar, and here we got options as buttons and also swipe gestures. Here you can choose which one is more comfortable for you and also change the button order. Next thing, and almost the last one that we can see here, is accidental touch protection. With the help of this setting, you can protect your phone from accidental touches when it's in a dark place such as pocket or bag. Also here we got this setting named touch sensitivity, which is increasing the touch sensitivity in the case that you got any type of screen foil or screen protector, and it's reducing sensitivity of your touches. So this setting will help. And last thing that we got here is a screensaver. And screensaver is a feature every time when you are putting your phone on a charge and turning it off, instead of the lock screen or incoming notifications, anything, here you can choose what will be shown on the screen. For example, let's choose color and take a look on the preview. And this is what you will see when your phone is on a charge. Here we got also options as photo frame and photo table. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.